Hi, it's Ben with Safe Drive Solutions, and today we're going to show you how to pair an IROAD FX2 Dash camera to an Android phone. So, first things first, we're going to open up the app, the IROAD X Viewer. We're going to hit Connect, select our camera. The smartphone is not registered. Press the Wi-Fi registration. So we're going to hit the Wi-Fi button.
Standby mode for registration.
Hit Next. Go to Settings, go to Wi-Fi. So we're going to go to Wi-Fi. And we're going to enter in the password QWERTYUIOP. Show password. Hit OK. And we'll go right back to the app.
Registration complete.
Just like that, we're connected to the IROAD
Wi-Fi
FX2.
connected.